Oh, Triggs, where are you?
Teddy, I think she's given up.
Aha! I space chased you!
Oh.
Triggs, you're scared. I thought you were playing space chase, but you weren't, were you?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I come in and sit with you? It's kind of nice in here. Just you and me, hidden from the world.
And Teddy.
Do you want to tell me what's wrong? I promise I'll listen.
No, not the washing machine. It eats clothes so scary and mean. Shrinks trousers, socks disappear. I'll keep Teddy safe right here. I can't let go. Teddy smells great to me. I can't let go. He's soft and slobbery.
It's hard, I know, but he'll be good as new. You can't let go. I believe in you.
He's always by my side.
You feel scared and just want to hide.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'll see what I can do. I've been scared just like you. You can let go. Just put your trust in me. He's sweet, I know. Teddy is family.
I need him so, and I know he needs me too. I can't let go. It's much too hard to do.
Whew. Teddy has a ripe stick. What if I wash him in the sink where I can't protect his squeaker and he won't get lost or shrink? There, Teddy. That wasn't so bad, was it? Do you want to try him, Triggs?
The best way to dry is a good shake.
Triggs! He's still soaking wet.
Oh, you're right.
Teddy's too wet and he needs to dry.
In the dryer?
Trust in me.
Okay, I'll try. I can't let go. Thanks to help from my friend.
You can let go. And when it's bad time again.
What?
Yes, when you let go. Teddy is safe.
I can't let go, and Teddy comes back to me.
Finally, we can watch the movie.
Hooray!